Start by detaching one side of the canopy and carefully lifting it out of the recline button. Then, detach the other clamp. To remove the sun canopy fabric, start by removing the elastic loops from the clamps. Remove the clamps from the wires and slide the wires out of the sun canopy fabric. To reinstall the sun canopy fabric, slide the wires through the fabric attach the clamps to the wires and fix the elastic loops to the clamps.